The Yaheetech 10x8 Patio Awning is constructed with durable materials, including weather-resistant aluminum and polyester fabric with a protective coating, ensuring longevity and resilience against various weather conditions. This patio awning provides excellent sun protection, shielding you from harmful ultraviolet rays and allowing you to enjoy outdoor activities comfortably without worrying about harsh sunlight. Adjusting the awning is a breeze with the manual crank handle, which allows you to easily modify the length and angle from 5 to 35 degrees to suit your preference and needs. With its decorative wavy valance, the awning not only serves a functional purpose but also adds an aesthetic touch to your outdoor space, enhancing its overall appearance. The versatility of this awning makes it suitable for various outdoor settings, including patios, balconies, gardens, and decks, offering a practical shelter solution for different environments. Installation is straightforward, as it is designed to be mounted on sturdy surfaces such as solid masonry or concrete, ensuring a secure and stable setup for long-term use.